In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Jotform with Salesforce. This is useful when you want your form submissions to automatically create or update records in Salesforce without manual data entry. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, find the form you want to connect and click Edit Form. Once you're in the form builder, click Settings at the top, then select Integrations. Search for Salesforce and click on it when it appears. In the Setup window, select Production and click Continue. Next, sign in to your Salesforce account and authorize Jotform to access the required information. Once your account is connected, choose the Salesforce object you want to use, such as lead, contact, or a custom object. Select Create Record, then map your Jotform fields to the corresponding Salesforce fields. Make sure all required Salesforce fields are mapped correctly. You can also enable options such as update an existing record or attachments if you need them. Once everything is configured, click Save Integration, then click Finish. From now on, your Jotform submissions can automatically create or update records in Salesforce. That's how to integrate Jotform with Salesforce. Thanks for watching.